What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be working on the S3. Again, I'm in the car currently. I'm going to be installing a Resonator delete kit from ECS Tuning that I will put down in the link in the description, as well as show you the tools that you're going to need to be able to do this install. It is super simple. You just got to get the car up in the air. So I'm going to a location, to a driveway where I'm able to do that. So I'll see you guys soon and I'll show you what you need. So the two tools that you're going to need, this one's not even 100% necessary, but it makes the job a lot easier, is this exhaust hanger plier that allows you to remove the exhaust hanger a lot easier without struggling, and then this pipe cutter that we're going to be using to cut the exhaust. Okay, so we're under the car. We're going to have to remove this clamp that's right there. We're going to have to remove the exhaust hanger that's right up here, and then we're going to have to make one small cut on the exhaust, which is going to be right here, that I'm going to measure up and put a mark. Alright guys, so we're going to be cutting now the Resonator off of the car. So we're going to measure 5.5 inches off of this exhaust hanger here back. So now I have everything in place. I marked it off with a Sharpie. So now we're going to take our exhaust pipe cutter and start going to town on this. And this might take a couple of minutes, but I've only done this for literally 10 seconds and it's already making a cut. So so I've been at this for like 10 minutes now. It is a little difficult, but we're almost all the way through, just a little more, and yep, this is about to go through. Alright guys, so there we have the stock Resonator. So now we're left with, let me brighten this up a little bit. So now we have this entire area completely open. So now we're going to install the Resonator delete pipe that's right there. Alright, so now we're going to install this back in reverse order. They also provide you with new hardware. So we're going to slip this sleeve on here, this sleeve on here, and then we're also going to put the exhaust back into the actual hanger. I will finish tightening these after I put on the second coupler. Alright guys, so now we're going to be tightening up this clamp right here that's going to connect to the downpipe, and that's going to basically finish off this. All these are tight because you don't want anything loose to fall off or have any kind of exhaust leaks. Alright guys, so this is going to be the new piece that's going to replace the Resonator. It got a little dark outside, so I'm going to be using a flashlight. So this is the new clamp that they provide, so that's new hardware right here. Also, you have the exhaust hanger up in place, perfect. Nothing is touching at all, so there's going to be no exhaust rattles. The new clamp over there on the far side, and that is going to replace this piece right here, which is the old Resonator that was in there from the factory. Alright guys, so it got a little bit dark outside, so I'm going to be doing pretty much a cold start with the new exhaust setup. Basically right now, the exhaust setup that I have for the car is a CTS downpipe to that Resonator delete, right to the stock catback. So I'm going to put an exhaust clip right now so you guys can hear that. Alright guys, so I completely forgot to make an outro for this video, so this is going to be the outro, me relaxing, laying down in bed. So, anyways, the Resonator Delete sounds really good, especially paired with a CTS downpipe. Honestly, it sounds amazing in my opinion. It's not too loud. When you step on it, the car really gets a nice throaty, really deep exhaust note, but it's not overly obnoxious. At highway speeds, there's no drone. Around the city, you can keep the car quiet, which is what I really like, and that's what I was really aiming for. Now, mind you, the install itself is not super hard. If you use the tools that I will link down in the description, I got everything from ECS Tuning, by the way. The Resonator Delete Kit, the pipe cutter for the exhaust, and also the exhaust hanger, the little plier that I use. All of that I got from ECS Tuning. So, like I said, I'm going to put that down in the link below. Mind you, these aren't things that you absolutely have to use, but I think it makes it a lot easier, especially that exhaust cutter. It does take like 15 to 20 minutes really going at it. Well, at least it did for me. I don't know, maybe you might be able to do it in a couple of minutes, but it's very tiring, but it'll get the job done, and it'll make a super straight cut once you measure everything out, which sometimes in electric saw, when you go to cut, it won't give you 100% a straight cut, unless you have a super steady hand, which I would have to say maybe most people don't. But anyways, I was able to do this install on a pair of ramps that I have, and I just put the back of the car up on top, and I had enough room to be able to work. So that's the amazing part. But again, guys, I love the way it sounds. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the exhaust clips. It is a big difference. The DSG farts are a lot louder now, which is what I also wanted. So again, let me know what you think. But please, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.